match, vanish, canyon, pack. These words are all pronounced with a front, spread, open, ah. Match, vanish, canyon, pack. Let's look at some minimal pairs with these word examples. We're swapping ah for ah. Match, march. For march, your tongue is in the center of the mouth. Your lips are relaxed and the jaw is gently open. Match, march. Vanish, versus varnish. Vanish, varnish. Try these ones. Canyon, Kenyan. The only difference here is that for you need to have your jaw a little bit closer to your nose. So instead of canyon, with the jaw nice and open, we've got Kenyan, Kenyan, canyon, Kenyan. Similarly, pack versus peck. Pack, peck, pack, peck. So you need to make a clear distinction between ah, and eh. Happy practicing.